At number 5 is Pennington Choices. The Cheshire-based property surveying and consultancy business rewarded its loyal workers by booking showbiz legend The Hoff for their virtual Christmas party. In 4th place, it's LSI Architects. Benefits at the Norwich and London-based practice include inspirational study trips to destinations like Budapest, Amsterdam, and Stuttgart. Next, at number 3, it's HLM. The architecture and design company has a one-team culture, which is central to its success and key to its planned transition to becoming an employee-owned trust. A commitment to blended working has been strengthened, which supports individuals to work where they perform best, whether that's a studio, their home, a cafe, or a park bench. On Walkout Wednesdays, employees are encouraged to take time out in the fresh air. Making it to the number 2 position, it's JTP, an award-winning practice of architects and planners with offices in London and Edinburgh that delivers projects throughout Europe, China, Russia, and the Middle East. And here we are, in the number 1 position, it's Ryder Architecture. The international design practice has a team of passionate people operating in the UK, Hong Kong, Vancouver, and Amsterdam. Its goal is to improve the quality of the world around us and improve people's lives. For them, environmental awareness is urgent, and they want sustainability to be embedded across the practice, with their aim being to achieve net zero carbon by 2025 and to deliver net zero projects by 2030. At number 5, it's the Howard de Walden Estate. This property company stepped in to support the vulnerable in its central London community when coronavirus struck. In 4th place, it's Highwood Group, the Romsey-based property developer that gave staff laptops to homeschool their children and also gave computers to a local primary school. Next, at number 3, it's Peel Land Property. The regeneration business is a northern powerhouse, responsible for the landmark Media City development in Salford Quays. Making it to the number 2 position is Pedder Property, the London group that helps its people develop their skills through mentorship, incentive schemes, and regular review processes. And here we are, in the number 1 position, is Red Brick Estate Agents. Based in South Yorkshire and North East Derbyshire, where staff were invited to keep fit for the Red Brick Foundation Virtual Half Marathon. At number 5, it's Harman Technology. Staff at the Cheshire-based specialist manufacturing company were challenged to decorate gingerbread men and add jokes to go in Christmas gift boxes for their local food bank. In 4th place, it's Quanta Dialysis Technologies. Hospitals around the country use the Alcester-based firm's innovative technology to care for kidney failure patients during COVID. Next, at number 3, is Oxford-based YASA, where they design and manufacture revolutionary lightweight e-motors for hybrid and electric vehicles. For them, the pandemic led to even greater engagement between staff and the senior management team, with emphasis in the production area, talking to employees about how they were coping. Also, on-site workers received treats such as surprise pizza days, while those working from home were given virtual care packages, plus advice from a nutritionist and a programme of online events. Making it to the number 2 position is Pico Technology. With headquarters in Cambridge, it's a worldwide leader in the design and manufacture of oscilloscopes and automotive diagnostic equipment. And here we are, in the number 1 position. It's Rocher. which gives its employees the chance to help sick people around the world. One employee says it's a privilege to work here. The company runs the Rocher Scholars Programme, supporting 45 children from disadvantaged backgrounds to pursue a career in science. Meanwhile, Rocher's senior management team has embraced change by removing traditional hierarchies in pursuit of a collaborative ethos. In at number 10, it's Mears Group. The Gloucester company provides and manages 17,000 homes for local and central government and maintains 750,000 social housing properties. It supports the Big Ideas programme, run by Solutions for the Planet, to provide mentors to schoolchildren in the STEM subjects of science, technology, engineering and maths, with an emphasis on sustainability and entrepreneurship. Mears earned a Social Value UK award for showcasing best practice when it comes to corporate social responsibility. Next, in the number 9 spot, at number 15, it's engineering company Systems ADI Group that has an apprenticed academy supporting youth skills development, where staff help by becoming mentors. At number 8, it's Port View, a Northern Ireland-based fit-out company. During COVID, their award-winning online hub featured guitar and calligraphy lessons. At number 7, it's AWE. As a key partner to the Ministry of Defence, the firm recognised its staff supreme efforts on and off-site during the pandemic by sending wellbeing packs to employees' homes. The packs contained reusable face masks, bottles of antibacterial gel, a flu jab voucher and a medical thermometer. They also offered a package of financial support including bonuses, no furloughing and paid leave to allow for childcare and homeschooling. Next, at number 6, it's J. Murphy & Sons. The engineering and construction firm believes that to protect its business, it has to protect its people. Its guiding values are never do any harm, deliver projects through a directly employed workforce, and strive for continual improvement. It offered on-site COVID tests during the pandemic and continued to provide work through the Kickstart programme, offering 6-month contracts to young people unemployed for long periods, with the opportunity of a permanent job at the end. At number 5, it's ISG. The construction giant is based in London, operating across 24 countries. It set up a microsite for all employees during the pandemic to share resources and information, including space for anonymous feedback. The company's health and safety team also developed a coronavirus app, enabling users to view enhanced content via a video or 3D augmented reality. In 4th place, it's Vinci Construction, with a reputation as a great company to work for. This specialist civil engineering, construction and facilities management company employs about 9,000 people in the UK, and it has a solid focus on development, with employees able to upskill through apprenticeship schemes, join internal development programmes, and even participate in the Duke of Edinburgh Business Gold Award programme. Next, at number 3, it's Thacum, the West Sussex property developer, where the board voted to return £200,000 in furlough payments once the outlook for the construction industry became clearer. Making it to the number 2 position, it's Arcadis. This world-leading design and consultancy firm delivers sustainable, natural and built environments through its 28,000 people in 70 countries. Its innovators are its greatest strength, so an annual City Shapers programme is available to young professionals who work in teams on challenging urban projects that will shape the lives of millions. During the first lockdown, employees raised £18,000 for Alzheimer's Research UK with its Get Active campaign, where people raised funds by running, walking, jumping, crawling, lunging and even hula hooping. And here we are, in the number 1 position. It's Abbott Risk Consulting. This Edinburgh-based employee-owned company offers risk management and safety engineering services to the energy, nuclear, defence, mining and rail sectors. ARC believes passionately in sustainability and striving for a net zero future. To this end, it has partnered with Cool Earth, a charity that works alongside rainforest communities to halt deforestation and its impact on climate change. In at number 10, it's Fulcrum, the energy connections provider based in Sheffield. The multi-award-winning group has created a culture built around its spirit values: safe, partnership, improvement, reliability, integrity, and together. Next, in the number 9 spot, is London Energy, a sustainable energy and recycling company that helps people to muck a difference with its scheme to turn coffee cups into plastic furniture. At number 8, it's Recycling Technologies. Based in Swindon, they research new ways to recycle plastic. Its recently launched apprenticeship scheme is already delivering results. At number 7, we have Fundamentals. The power grid experts at this tech firm in Swindon share a bonus pot of 15% of net profits. Next, at number 6, it's Utilita, Britain's leading supplier of smart pay-as-you-go energy that has an apprenticeship programme giving young people a start in life. At number 5, it's Good Energy. Employee benefits at the Wiltshire operation include a green travel allowance and discounted renewable electricity. In 4th place is Openreach, a company on a mission to build the best digital network to keep the UK connected. It also aims to attract more women and people from diverse communities into the organisation and support them with career development opportunities. Keeping services running during the pandemic was a huge team effort, but one engineer literally went above and beyond, camping out on a Scottish island and hiking 3 miles to reach a remote household that needed help. Next, at number 3, it's Everflow. The newly listed Teesside and Nuneaton-based group is made up of Everflow Water, which supplies water to businesses, and Everflow Tech, a software provider. Making it to the number 2 position, it's UK Power Networks, the country's largest electricity distributor. Its employees didn't switch off during the pandemic and made sure the lights stayed on in more than 8 million homes and businesses. At the start of lockdown, Chief Executive Basil Scarsella held daily virtual Yam Jams in which he answered employees' questions. His weekly Basil Chats with up to 4 employees were posted on the company's intranet and were watched 200,000 times last year. And here we are, in the number 1 position. It's Pure Planet. This renewable energy supplier was founded in 2017 and is passionate about its mission to power Britain with clean energy that's affordable and available to all. Staff share the motivation to make the world a better, more sustainable place, and the Bath-based company fosters a vibrant culture based on trust. Its message: if we hire you, we trust you.